Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about isFrozen method in the object constructor. So, this object check that is that object is frozen or not, and use the give you the appropriate boolean for that. So now what we're gonna do is go inside that, use the const object one equals a pass like property one, and after that what we're gonna do is like 42 like that something, and then log it on a console object dot is frozen and pass object 1. When you do that, it's gonna say false because this is not frozen, and now between that I'm gonna do there is another method which goes hand in hand with this called object.freeze. So freeze, like cool chill like that, you know water style like that, something like that, Haku of the ice. True, because we just freeze it. So yeah, so hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.